Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a red plane with Lego 10696. Now I'm going to show you real bases. I'm going to assemble these parts. This is wheels already. I'm going to show you test its wheels, but I'm going to keep like this and like this only. Okay, I know like that only I will fit. Now I'm going to show you this glass and steering. Okay, we will start this. Look, this is the wings one. Now two wings. Like this. Then like this. Then the Lego man's not like this. Like this. He's driving, no. He's driving. Now we must aeroplanes have like this. One and like this. Then the aeroplane is ready. Look at that. The aeroplane is ready. Like and share this video. Subscribe my channel. Comment in the comment box about what kind of video will appreciate in the future. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.